Hello from Keetouch GmbH. And today we want to show you this wonderful 21.5 inches projected capacitive touch computer. It is so strong in front, and it is so magnificent. On the back side we have holes for ventilation. Here we have a power supply input, HDMI, VGA, and USB ports. There are also ports for audio, microphone and Ethernet, accordingly. We don't have any fastenings on the bottom. On the back side, in addition to the heatsink, there are 75 by 100 mm VESA holes. Firstly, let's turn it on by pressing the button. Here, American Megatrans is loading. We installed Ubuntu for demonstration. In the About window we can see that there are 8 GB of RAM, Intel Core, Iris graphics, and a 128 GB disk. Let's look at what's inside the box of the PC. In the package of this computer we have a power supply with a cable and an antenna. We just screw the antenna right here. And that's how it works. You can tilt it forward and backward.